Today I am going to tell you about the strategies to crack MPhil Clinical Psychology entrance examination. MPhil Clinical Psychology is 2-year postgraduate program and best path to earn license of clinical psychologist in India. The candidate who are interested to do MPhil Clinical Psychology, they should have MA, MSc in Psychology or in Applied Psychology with 55% of marks to participate in entrance examination. After completing the MPhil in Clinical Psychology, you will get a license to work as a clinical psychologist in hospitals, NGOs, counseling centers, rehab centers as well as in private clinic. You can also start your own clinic. There are many RCI Approved Universities, colleges who offer MPhil in Clinical Psychology. Visit our website to see complete list of colleges or universities who offer MPhil in Clinical Psychology. Now we can talk on preparation strategies. Preparation of MPhil Clinical Psychology rely on universities, institutions. They follow the different pattern and the distribution of number is also different, but the syllabus is the same that you can follow for entrance exams. Before presenting the tips and recommendation, I would like to say that falling in love with the psychology is important if you want to crack MPhil Clinical Psychology entrance examination. I would like to say that your postgraduate handwritten notes one of the best resource for MPhil Clinical Psychology entrance exam. If you don't have your self-written notes, then ask your mentor and teacher to provide the notes. Right strategy is the key of success in any entrance examination. A few points will help you to make the right strategy for MPhil Clinical Psychology entrance examinations. Number 1. Understand the syllabus of entrance exam. This is very important to understand the syllabus to do an effort in a right direction. Make sure that your notes must be according to last year entrance. You may use last year question paper to understand the syllabus. Number 2. You must have good books for MPhil Clinical Psychology entrance preparation. As I told earlier in this video that your own handwritten notes are good choice because it's difficult to read 10 to 15 books within time frame with MCQs practices. But if you have the option of books only, then you should read the following books. Like Introduction to Psychology written by Rita Atkinson and Hilgard, Social Psychology written by Baron, Theory of Personality written by Hall and Campbell, Human Development of Paplia, Biopsychology written by Khalat. You also refer Biopsychology Key Point written by me. Cognitive Psychology written by Robinson, Statistics by Menium, Research Method written by Levin and Fox, but you can use A.K. Singh also. Psychological Testing written by Ronald and Cohen, Abnormal Psychology, Sarason and Sarason, Clinical Psychologist written by Hecker. You can follow psychological journals or magazine for latest advancement. You can refer Psychologues magazine for all updates and news related to psychology. Studying manual can also be important, so choose DSM or ICT. I would recommend to study DSM-5. Number 3. Practice through MCQs questions is very important along with the theory clarification for MPhil Clinical Psychology entrance examinations. There are no such dedicated MCQs books available for MPhil Clinical Psychology entrance in the market. But there are few books available for other entrance examinations that you can use. But you need to use that kind of book who can guide you with your mistakes. So online portal like UPS Education's test panel is very useful or helpful because this online portal not only correct your answer but gives you the complete insight about your test like correct answer, explanation of correct answers, chapter wise, topic wise report, improvement report through artificial intelligence. If you are aspirant of MPhil Clinical Psychology, these tips definitely will help you. All the best for your future and thank you for watching this video.